This video will hopefully give you a basic awareness about the vaccination process and its importance. You will learn the what, why, working mechanism, approval process, effects, and the most important things to remember during the vaccination process amidst this COVID-19 pandemic. Now, let's come to what is vaccination. Vaccination is a simple, safe, and effective way to protect people against diseases. Vaccines train the immune system to create antibodies the same way it would do if attacked by the virus or bacteria. For example, if we get chickenpox, our immune system creates antibodies to fight them. But if one had already been vaccinated for chickenpox, the immune system would immediately respond to fight the infection. So, why is it necessary? The main reason to get vaccinated is to not just protect ourselves but also everyone around us. Some vaccines are optional, but during the COVID-19 pandemic, it's certainly mandatory to get the COVID-19 vaccine. One should understand that vaccines do not contain the live virus, but instead the killed virus or the weakened virus, and this makes it far less dangerous than the actual virus. Now, how does a vaccine work? When you get a vaccine, your immune system responds by recognizing the invading germ, such as the virus or bacteria, and produces antibodies to fight the disease. Our immune system is designed to remember. Hence, once exposed to one or more doses of a vaccine, we typically remain protected against that disease for years, decades, or even a lifetime. This is what makes vaccines so effective. How are vaccines approved? An experimental vaccine is first tested in animals to evaluate its safety and potential to prevent the disease. It is then tested in human clinical trials in 3 phases. In phase 1, the vaccine is given to a small number of volunteers to assess its safety, confirm it generates an immune response, and determine the right dosage. In phase 2, the vaccine is usually given to hundreds of volunteers who are closely monitored for any side effects to further assess its ability to generate an immune response. Participants in this phase have the same characteristics, such as age and sex, as the people for whom the vaccine is intended. In this phase, some volunteers receive the vaccine and others do not, which allows comparisons to be made and conclusions to be drawn about the vaccine. In phase 3, the vaccine is given to thousands of volunteers, some of whom receive the investigational vaccine and some of whom do not, just like in phase 2 trials. Once the results of clinical trials are available, a series of steps is required, including reviews of efficacy, safety, and public health policy approvals before a vaccine may be introduced to the general public. Effects of a vaccine. It's normal to have mild side effects from the vaccine. Upon receiving the vaccine, a person should be cautious for the first 15 to 30 minutes in case of any immediate allergic reactions. If side effects last for more than 3 days, please consult your doctor. Talking about COVID-19 vaccine, most common side effects include pain at the injection site, fever, fatigue, headache, muscle pain, chills, and diarrhea. Less common side effects reported for some COVID-19 vaccines have included severe allergic reactions such as anaphylaxis. However, this reaction is extremely rare. Experiencing side effects after getting vaccinated means the vaccine is working and your immune system is responding as it should. Things to remember. After vaccination, it usually takes a few weeks for the body to build immunity against COVID-19. One should also be aware that a vaccine cannot guarantee 100% protection against the virus, but it reduces the severity of the disease. So, it's possible a person could be infected just before or after vaccination and still get sick with COVID-19. This is because the vaccine has not yet had enough time to provide protection. Please note that COVID-19 vaccine is not yet approved for children. Hence, it's very important that people should follow all the COVID-19 protocols, such as washing hands regularly, sanitizing when possible, wearing masks, maintain social distancing, keeping yourself mentally and physically healthy. To conclude, vaccines are safe and getting vaccinated will help protect you against COVID-19. Please register at www.cowin.gov.in and get vaccinated. This video is issued in public interest by Jayam Group of Institutions, Dharmapuri. All information displayed in this video has been obtained from World Health Organization. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.